I could see where energy prices were going. I could see where the price of green energy power was coming down and the price of installation was coming down. So when we did the analysis, we pretty quickly determined that, we were going to be able to provide 20 to 25% of our power through solar over the course of a year. So it just kind of seemed like a bit of a no-brainer. Hardchrome is a heavy industry surface engineering business. Recently, we've seen a shift to using lasers and robotic-driven lasers to repair and resurface components. And so as a consequence of that, we are a heavy user of power and our annual power bills are quite high.
Smart felt the PPA was a great solution for Hardchrome because they'd had an enormous capital expenditure. So this allowed them to acquire a 700 kilowatt solar system with no capex and no cost for operations and maintenance for the duration of the PPA. And at the end of the PPA, the system vests to them for $1.
Look, it's probably fair to say that our power bill is going to be the same as what it was back in 2020, but power prices have gone through the roof since then, right? To be no worse off and have had power prices do what they do, then, we're really, really happy, because the alternative was that our power bill would have gone to circa 600K. Energy is a significant cost of our business, and so de-risking that by having a forward contract for 10 years under a PPA is a great benefit to us.
The unique elements of this system was primarily the collaborative way that we executed the system. The site was under construction, so we had to have a very flexible approach to final system design.
Like any building project, there were a few delays here and there. We needed to make some changes. Really straightforward. Honestly, it was one of the most stress-free contracting things I've ever done.